Let's learn how to remove animations and speed up your mobile. Normally, when we open applications, we can see an animation preview. We can remove this animation preview and speed up our mobile. Let's learn how to do this. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to advanced features option. After click on remove animations option. In here, you can enable this remove animations option. Now I come to my home screen. You can see no animation preview. The applications are opening very fastly. No any animation preview. In this method, you can remove your mobile applications animations and you can speed up your mobile.